What's up YouTube, BMR here, and today we're going to unbox my MA030. I also want to install the Evo board, the rims, get it bound up, and make sure that everything's working. I just want to do this all on camera with you guys. The car's been sitting around my house for about 3 days now. I haven't touched it, haven't opened it, and it's been driving me crazy. So anyways, we're finally going to go ahead and unbox this. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's get into it. Alright, so there it is. There's the car, guys. And in the box, we got the instruction manual, I guess. I've already read that online, so I don't need it. But yeah, there she is, guys. Wow. Just beautiful. So over here we got some plastic bits. Looks like some extra gears. I think that's a double wishbone system. Evo board clip, and looks like battery clips, so I don't need the gears. Oh, it looks like there's my 94mm shaft for the conversion. All right, cool. So I don't need these, don't need this, so I'll put that away. So this is just held in with these little clips. I'm just gonna do this off camera, take these out. All right, got those wires cut out. So here we have it, guys. My first look at the MA030. Go ahead and focus. Wow. So this thing is incredibly light. It's one thing that it looked a little bit heavier than I thought it would. So that's one thing online. The pictures made it look real heavy, made it look a lot bulkier than it is, but this thing is sweet. I mean, honestly amazing. All right, so I'm thinking we're gonna start with the Evo board because that's probably what you guys are most interested in seeing. So got that right here. And one thing that Kyosho noted I saw in one of their most recent videos is you have to be mindful of this little microchip right there. You can see it raised on the back. So when you're installing your board right here, you just need to make sure that your wires are in the correct placement. And they said that they added extra wire spacing so that you have enough room to wiggle it back and forth. So just be mindful when you're clipping your board in that it's nice and flush. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Yeah, so looking at this, lining it up for my board to fit in right like that, I'm gonna have to take these wires and push them all the way over here to the edge. All right. So I got the wires pretty much as far to the edge as I could. I think that'll definitely clear the chip. Yep, we definitely clear the chip. All right, looks like I got my board installed, so let's go ahead and put some batteries in here and we'll try to sync it up with the controller. All right, guys, so now that we have the board installed, I've also set up a model on this transmitter. It's the MA030. I have it set to the FHSS frequency, and let's go ahead and bind it. So we just need to turn this on, get the controller in pairing mode, grab my pairing stick, and then where's the, okay, so it's on the bottom. So let's just go ahead, push this down. All right, looks like it's paired up already. All right, check it out, guys. There we go. Right, left. Let's see if we got some throttle. All right, we already got it all set up and bound. It's that easy, guys. So I had no problems going ahead and getting it bound up, and that's great. All right, so I got the tires and rims installed. I went ahead and did that off camera since I figured it's so straightforward. I wouldn't want to waste your guys' time with that. But real quick, I wanted to shout out Beaver's Hobby channel. I'll go ahead and put one of those little tags up here, a link to his channel. He has the front wheel drive version of this car, and you can convert that to an all-wheel drive version. So basically, he has the brush version of the MA030, and he's been very helpful through this whole process for doing my research, and he has a lot of knowledge on all micro cars. I highly recommend his channel, so go and check him out if you guys want any updates on the MA030, because he's going to be making some videos about it too. Highly recommend him. He's a really nice guy. He has great content, very knowledgeable, so go check it out. So that's it for this video. I went ahead and unboxed the car. We installed the Evo board. I bound it to the controller. Right now, I'm not having any steering issues. I don't have any throttle issues, knock on wood. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end the video out here. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and have a great night. See you next time.